you. So do you.
Liz, this is Charlotte. She's buying the apartment.
Congratulations. If you blow out the kitchen wall, you could make a very nice breakfast nook.
Yes, he's leaving.
Yes, he's leaving. On that midnight train to Georgia.
Leaving on a midnight train.
Oh, yeah.
And you shouldn't torture whales. There was a period of time where you...
I'm sorry about Cece.
Thanks, Lemon. Want to get drunk?
No, there's too many phones in here. You should have gone for it, you know?
You made the same choice that Cece and I did. You chose your career over Floyd.
My world, her world.
His world, our world. Mine and his alone. I've got to go. I've got to go. On that midnight train. On a boat.
On a midnight train. I missed it. I missed that midnight train to Georgia.
Missed that midnight train.
Woo, there's an 11:45, and I was misinformed about the time. Misinformed about the time. Didn't even get to stand in line. Yeah, I missed it. He missed the midnight train to Georgia.
Hello, I'm trying to take a nap. What's going on out here?
Nothing, Gladys Knight. Sorry.